Hello everyone, my name is Nguyen. I am 11 years old. I live in Ho Chi Minh City and I come from Vietnam. So today I am gonna talk about my favorite animal at the farm. Well, everyone knows that at the farm there's a cow, a goat, a sheep, a dog, a cat. Like barn cats. That's what people usually call a cat that live at a barn. And dog and geese. Well, my favorite animal is one of my favorite. It's called a horse. Why do I like a horse? There are three things. First, because the horse is big and it has 4 legs with 2 ears and 2 eyes. It also has a beautiful mane and a beautiful tail. I like the one that is white. No, I like the one that is quite really brown and red. Brown and red mixed together. I really like that one because it looks so pretty. Okay, so next I'm gonna talk about the second thing. The second thing I like it because I love to walk on it. One day I hope that I could ride on the horse. On a horse, that's crazy. But to me, it will be possible if I hope that I will get a horse or maybe a pony at a farm in the future, And one thing that I also like about it is that it's because I love watching video about races for horse. And so that they trot, they walk, and they run. And also, I watch this type of film and my favorite app, and I saw a horse ride competition, and so it was so amazing with lots of obstacle courses. Obstacles like the horse had to jump over some bars, bars, and then it had to jump over a big lake or a puddle. Sometimes I also watch other movies, and I saw riding horses everywhere. I like it. The third thing I like about horses, that is, they're so cute. I mean, like when they born out a baby horse is called a pony. And I love ponies because they're so small, and cute. They're so adorable. What about you? What animal do you like? Well, do you like a cow? Do you like a sheep? Do you like geese or goose? Geese, goose, and duck. They are the 3 type of water fish that they live. Not water butterfly, bird. Duck, geese, and swan. Because there are also a swan and a goose. They love staying in the water and they love flying, just like other birds. You see? Okay, I must say, do you know what type of stuff that we usually wear for a horse? Yes, we put on a saddle for a horse, and of course, we always need to wear a farm boot. So when we riding on horses or walking in a stable, our usually shoes won't get dirty because we take off our shoes and put in our boots. Oh, first socks and boots. I don't know why they need socks. Really, I don't know. Oh, and also, that every ride, driving in a car. No, driving in any vehicle that had a shade, already like car, truck. No, they don't need helmets. But the rest need helmets. Like bike, motorcycle, motorbike, riding horses always need a helmet to protect themselves. Also skating too. Skating need helmets. Except for skating in a rink. A rink where big circle round ice is at the bottom, and you just need to wear your ice skates, and there you go, you can skate. But that you don't need a helmet. You just only need the protection. No helmet, just a hat, a woolly hat. So now you learn more about animals. and an animal that you can ride on. And also, you have to wear a helmet. Well, I guess that's all for today. See you guys next time. Goodbye.